Hey, what's up guys? Thanks so much for checking out the video. So before I actually roll into the video, I wanted to take a second and show you guys my merch. If you haven't been following along, I finally have merch. I've designed a ton of stuff for you guys. We have stickers like window decals, door decals, regular stickers, patches, hoodies, shirts, all that kind of stuff. We're having a big Black Friday sale, so if you guys are interested at all in any merch, please go check that out. The link to that stuff will be in the description. So, all right, really appreciate it. Here's the video. Thanks, guys. Hey, what's up guys? Thanks so much for checking out the video and for checking out the channel. So today I have a little gear install sort of review for you guys. If y'all have a truck and you camp in it and you use your tailgate for basically everything, right? You use it as a table for cooking, for putting your drinks, things like that. I'm sure you've noticed that with the factory kind of insert that you get, there's ridges on there. And I can't tell you how many times I spilt my drink or like jacked up my stove or whatever because of those stupid little ridges. And there's an easy way to fix it. But I know you guys have also seen, you've probably also seen the companies that make these inserts. Mountain Hatch, I think, is like the biggest one right now. Honestly, I've never bought one of those because I didn't like the price. It was just stupid for what it was to me. It's made of plastic, and the little cup holder things are like, I don't know, they're not deep at all, so it really doesn't keep a drink in its place. So when I was at the 2020 Rendezvous in the Ozarks, there was a company there called All Off-Road or AL Off-Road. They were there and they sell their own tailgate insert, which I think is so much better in so many different ways. I'm not being biased, I promise. I just really don't like a plastic tailgate insert. It just seems weird to me. So theirs is aluminum. It's powder coated aluminum. It's cheaper. I think it's like $190 or $180 or something like that. They also have a lot of good Black Friday sales right now, so you can even get it cheaper than that. Comes with way better cup holders, like we're talking this deep cup holders. And it's got like a laser engraved logo. It looks super expensive and nice and just much better than like the Mountain Hatch. But anyway, trying not really to sell you guys on that. I just, you know, that's my experience in these little insert things. So we got one from them today and we're gonna slap it in there. It's probably gonna be like one of the easiest mods I've ever done in this truck. It's literally just a few bolts, but I'm excited to put this in there and to not spill my drinks anymore. So I'm gonna get it out of the package and show you guys what it looks like. All right guys, so sorry, I lied. Before I show you the insert, I'm actually gonna show you exactly what I mean by this. So I use my Coleman stove on this tailgate to cook, and it's so annoying because it slides like this and it doesn't sit like level. It bugs me so much. So that's annoying. Also, I know you guys are dying to see the setup. I don't want to show you yet. I'm gonna make a whole new video on the rear setup. But so that's annoying. Obviously, if you have a cup or whatever and you put it somewhere, it spills. Even if I try, you have to like perfectly balance it. Whoops. See what I mean? It's really annoying. And especially if it's at night or whatever and you're camping, you're pretty much always not going to get it centered. So that's super annoying. A lot of spilled beer, a lot of crying and tears because the tailgate insert sucks. All right, dudes. Well, here is the new insert. So looks so freaking cool. Check out these cup holders. Like, they're actually substantial and deep. Nice black powder coated finish. Super cool, kind of laser engraved logo right there. So looks super expensive. This is like, I don't know, 180, 195 something ish. And like I said, they're on sale right now. So if you like it, go check them out. If you don't like it, don't go check them out. To take this off, literally all you do is take these Torx bits out. Just goes around the perimeter there, and then you slap the new bad boy in there. So we're gonna do that, and we're gonna use our handy dandy Snap-on auto ratchet, which is probably the greatest gift I've ever been given. Gonna use that, zap these off, and then put this thing on. All right, time to get rid of this piece of crap. So what is this, a T30? I think it fits. Yeah, fits all the bolts. So we're just gonna go around, zip these off real quick. Almost forgot my really cool nut tray. Every man has to have a nut tray. Check this out. Sick. Also, just to note, there are bigger and smaller bolts. I don't know if you guys can see that. The bigger ones go down here, and the smaller ones go up there. So I believe all we do is kind of lift. It's easy enough. All right, well, that's what the inside of a tailgate looks like. Interesting. All right, guys, here she is. Yeah, that's gonna look sick. That's gonna look sick. So I was actually told that this is best going from the bottom first. And would you know it? Confirmed. Just line up your holes. Dang, that looks so freaking cool. This is amazing. Much better. Here's what she looks like without the bolts in, obviously. But I like this because it goes like all the way to the edge. I've seen on some where it doesn't really do that. Like the factory one, actually. If you see that, it doesn't. It's not, you know, nice and flush all the way to the edge. So I actually just noticed that. But that's very cool. So let's get the bolts in, and then we're freaking done. So easy. This definitely seems like one of those mods where it doesn't seem cool at all until you actually experience the frustration of spilling all your crap when you're camping. Especially when you've made like a nice hot dinner. You spend all that time and energy, and then you just like dump it on the ground. So my advice, go camping with your OEM tailgate, get really pissed and frustrated, and then you'll be like, wow, totally need one of these. You know what I would actually really like a company to do is make one of these that's like, I don't know, make it out of wood, or like make a nice cutting board or something. I don't know, I feel like there's a lot of cool stuff you could do. This is definitely much nicer than the factory one, but I mean, how cool would that be? Like, it should be pretty simple. It's like a straight board. So yeah, I think like a wood one or something would be super cool. Alright guys, well that's basically it. Literally the easiest install ever done. I can't wait to actually use this and life actually be easier. But I think it came out really good. I love that it kind of matches, like it looks kind of factory-ish, like, you know, it's not bright red or whatever. It just, I don't know, it looks really cool. Now, when I'm cooking, there's no movement. It's nice and solid. And look, check it out. No more spilling because there's no stupid ribs. And it's in there. Very cool. Oh yeah, duh. Let's see if this actually closes. That'd be cool. Oh, my cord's in the way. She closes super tight. Sweet. All right, guys. Well, that is it. That is literally the easiest mod I've ever done on this truck. Again, full disclosure, all off-road or AL off-road, they gave me this insert. They gave it to me at the show, and they were like, hey, please let us know your feedback. You know, if you want to make a video, cool, you can. Let your audience know what you like, what you don't like, things like that. So, again, this is me being completely unbiased, guys. I'm not somebody who like wants free product and then, you know, like gives them the best ratings ever. I get questions all the time of, you know, will you put this on your channel? Will you do this and that? and I'm very, very particular and selective about that. This I think is particularly cool because, like I said, I haven't bought a mountain hatch insert because I think the price is too high. It's plastic, it doesn't look very good. The cup holders aren't useful, and I just haven't bought one. I was literally dealing with the spilling all my crap, you know, just to not pay $230 something. So if you want to buy this, cool. It's not going to help me out at all. Like, I'm not affiliated with these guys. I'm just here making a video for y'all to watch. So with all that said, if you guys do want to buy one of these, I think they have a Black Friday sale on their website. I looked like a couple hours ago, and I think it was like 15% off or something. But anyway, I'll make sure to put a link in the description of this if you guys want to check them out. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this short video. I know you guys are also dying to see the really cool camp setup that I've done in here. I cannot wait to make those videos. So I'm going to be doing like a one-take walk around of the Tacoma as it sits, because I owe you guys kind of an update on everything we've done to the truck. So I'm going to be doing that, and then another video that is all about my camping setup. What's in the back of my camper, what's in my drawers, all that cool nerdy fun overland stuff. So be looking out for that, guys. So thank you again so much for watching and subscribing to the channel. Really appreciate it. Yeah, thank you guys. Have a good day. Bye.